Hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Fort Pierce, Florida.
There is a manatee observation center, the Heathcote Botanical Gardens, where you can find a beautiful collection of bonsai trees, a vineyard, and of course, several beaches to choose from. Here we play the historic Sunrise Theater, listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The Sunrise opened its door on August 1st, 1923. The theater closed 60 years later in 1983, after it had fallen in disrepair, but reopened in all its splendor in 2006. This theater also has two spaces, an intimate black box theater that seats 220, and the 1,200-seat main stage. Over the years, the Sunrise has seen some incredible performers, such as Willie Nelson, Diana Ross, the Beach Boys, Tony Bennett, and the late, great Dave Brubeck, as well as countless other touring productions just like ours. You could probably count them, but who has time for that? This one was one of the smaller stages that we played, so we had to make some adjustments to make our show fit. But we did it, and we had a great time. Back in the Villages, our sweet Chris Reynolds sprained his ankle, and because of this, he had to call out of the show to give it some time to heal. Which meant that Kyle Jurassic, hey, that's me, went on for the role of Franz. It was a good time. We had a great time playing here in Fort Pierce, Florida, and Florida overall has been incredible, but our time in Florida has come to an end. Because tomorrow we get on the plane, well, today, we're on the plane, and we're heading to Kalamazoo.
Flying to Kalamazoo today.
Michigan! That's where I'm from. We're playing my home state this week. If you're in Michigan, we're coming at you. Come see the show. It's gonna be a good time. I would say that it's gonna be nothing but a good time. Anyway,
Thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.